And I think this one is good because from the tide road, you can see that's the place those women are. I don't know if you're seeing them. So it's very, very close. This one is very fine and it's on a table land. In fact, it's nice, honestly. I like it. Welcome back again to my channel, guys. Wow, today we are going to be showing you guys the traditional way we buy land in Abakaliki. After buying land, after paying your money, there's what they call igbu, meaning to kill goats for the land. So this traditional rite, whenever you perform it, it is performed with snap, kolanut, goats, and some crate of beers, but this is not the full one because we just made it in a low key here. So in this video we are going to show you people a little bit of what we do in Ebonyi State, Nigeria. So let's get into the video. Traditional rite is a sacred traditional rite whereby it is believed that after involving yourself in the traditional rites, drinking the beer, the schnapps, breaking the kolanut, if you try to put your hand in the reselling of the land or cause any problem after selling this land, the land is going to take your life automatically. You are not going to succeed. You will suffer from one problem or the other if it doesn't take your life. So that is why most people believe that it is very important they perform this rite, but some people still neglect it and use money to do it because of the advent of power of attorney.
We do the land rights, picking up the goats, breaking up kolanut, blessing the goats, and then welcoming us as neighbors. So the Baba is in the house now. You want to change? You can look down there. You see the goats for the occasion. Show them the goats.
Goat is supposed to be a female goat, and it is supposed to be Igbo, meaning an Igbo goat, a local goat to be specific. But because there was no local goats in the market where we went to, because we went on a Sunday morning, so we had to get this particular goat and we came back to do it just to supplement it. We had to call the family to be sure they are going to accept it, and we actually got it because they accepted to make it on a low key. So Papa, down up. Where do we take down?
Down on come.
Call Papa.
You go up, watch it. I'm done this year. If you don't know, good again, another can help with you.
Me win the bell, but
You find your way now.
car bomb. I would tell what taba. That's non stop. Oh, why you couldn't get a look out for
You are plasma. You are plasma. I have tons.
Papa, there you go. I was the Jubu, you would say, Manakita. I was in game. Only with I insurance will find.
I put the Miller station. All question you can.
Walking in before I got only ya. Who buy ya you would say. Sit on my state of my. Yeah, we create now. My own.
When you go to Taba, when you go to
Maybe go down to the table.
I'm going to put it back when you go. I am wrong to do the Levan on the share to be.
I hold you out of bed.
But tobacco.
I'm 500.
We
We should have about 500
I
naira.
not only.
May only shine. Rain and shine, sharp. You go taba, cow, you go taba. Giena.
Yeah, baby.
Give her 500. Give her 500.
I'm not those. I'm going to charge in here.
Oh, why you
want to
No, no, my own. Yeah, maybe. Apple, no get a gap. I don't read you that. Why would I give you? Only in the chip to that. And I give you.
I need to look at it. One to more, what I'm going to give you one to do a jar. Have she can move the Gabon? Maybe I can from one. Maybe bear who break a head. Chile came up with bear. I had the murder, do what I'm already. Do undo onye sotodun mure ga na bi binya ba mi wa chile ke bi ga akwara hozo uzo ma ifuru hozo ikperi hazo ime he kala to ha toto hala nya tam mba li e wa odukwa mure kala to ma toto mbo anya le nweri bi efu kaji madgo biaro mi be mi le ka makwa ibe mi le ka bo asin ka su baro ela shibele la but odu shile to dure chile ke biga no yiru he ale ikelego ise ke ngbomes obdu mbedi ebombo lo wa gi be mu ne mebo mbe chile ke bo ki mala wodum ofondu ke wa bo la wodo he so beta no bibi he ga na to gba to ta kaje hala nya tam le mbo na he le mbibiru he chile ke bonzu ga dum o ina batife ke wa ngurugure gede la yin na batawaro chileke na mo ma fedi gboke ife wa bi fe ke bo islo ge kweru na bo ge kweru chileke anya ife wa ri e lohun ri eludo lenzo enwe osogbu leva nwa bu Jesus Christ oyin wan
amen no
wa utoji
yes
Oh, me albo.
I me pe ha kita. Oh, me God chuda. Now my eye.
Me have pasta.
And chabot.
Me have pasta.
And chabot. Ajuroi.
Look at 3
Hey. There's a young
Baby,
now get him again.
you go drive express.
Forget that express.
Now, not be express you climb. Not
Papa.
be express you
Papa.
climb.
Papa. Only guide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I cake. Guy in the book.
Why you not for you? I go come with you.
Awon
The Quaver, we don't know where by go cat.
Doctor go. One I run afeta. Doctor go.
Oh, cannot go.
Oh, bago money. So only a message. Yeah, only I cannot buy it. Only a message, Maya. Call the
People go to Baraka when you are to be any.
Bro, I the way I like I knew.
I can't declare with them
For that, your oh, that
Keep one. Yeah, still be your share.
Madam, I tell you.
No drink. No drink that beer.
Yeah,
Drink that beer. I don't go follow you. I don't go follow you go anymore. I don't tell you now.
Yeah, we don't.
No, drive go and drink beer. If police stop you now, they smell your mouth. That's all.
One bottle no go make am drive. When they sick.
Honey, I don't go follow you go. You go alone.
Go drive now.
I mean, I'm all.
Don't be
Intoxicate.
Like you have seen in the video, we were given 2 bottles of from the crate of beer as our own share as the buyers, while the family takes the rest. Likewise for the goats, when the goat is killed, we will be given an arm, that is, which is one part of the goat. That arm will be our share as the buyer, while the family takes the rest part of the goat. There was no time to kill the goat, so we have to leave it for them. We return back the next day to get our own share of the goat. We all accepted to do that. And then finally, like I said earlier on, it is believed that anyone who took part in the eating of the meat will not have the right to resell this land, because once that person does that, the person goes in for it. It is believed that there are a lot of people who have tried to resell the land after taking part in the eating of the goat and eating of the kolanut, later died in a mysterious way. And I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to your friends who will want to learn a little bit of the traditional way of buying land in Igbo land. And then if you need a new land, don't forget to reach out to us. We are here for you. Watching to the end. Don't pause it. Just keep watching. Echi, una fit stay collect the thing. They no go do am now. Yeah.
Okay, we go come here tomorrow.
Okay. I go come tomorrow come correct.
I was a bit old, I am not carry it down.
Mom, you know, window be there.
Okay. Baboya Nambra. You are in here for instance. Yeah, boy, somewhere.
What? You can't quite. I'm from me. I'm not alone. And some can I hear like that. They are quite sure quite I'm going to not. Some people go with I'm not. In the alone, the king of Jumia. Pastor, Roya.
Not for you. Not for you. Now for him, I even driving Papa. You see the road, you see the place. No be motor no day. Even the parts where they say push.
You don't even tag me for the one where I give you.
Push up there.
Still they complain.
What do you give me?
This granite.
I was just like 50 naira.
No. Where you plant your own?
15 naira now, they buy them now for Kuri now.
Manager.
Thank you.
Okay.
Happy now. Guys, let's go. There's no time.
I'm not heading
Huh? Higher beach. Well, higher beach.
I got quite a
Onye ọzọ bụ nye. Onye arụ na-ebe akwụ onye side. Nwekwa anọdụ ebe.
Ọnụ walesi ya nke ahụ. So anụ unu richara ebe a. Ọ bụrụ obere ihe. Una na ị ka na-agụ na iwepụta obere ụzọ mmụọ ụzọ baa ọfụma na-asị na ọ bụrụ express.
Let's go. Papa.
January,
Nke ahụ gbasara gị nke
I go still come tomorrow. Yeah, that's okay.